bàbá olóyin sẹ̀sán adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ lóyin òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéwùsì. Tá ń tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin ojúlówó ẹni tó lóyin òdùn ara rẹ̀ ni ò yá. Yes, here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéwùsì. Tá ń tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesiota. The program you are watching today is from Kini Show TV. Kini Show. And the phone number is on the screen. 0810 84 31 336 0810 84 31 336. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp so that it will be easy for me to reply you very well. Yes, to reply you very well. Today, I want to remind you what you can do with rain water. What you can do with rain water. What you can do with rain water. This is rainy season time. Oh. How are you going to use it to solve your spiritual problems? Get seated. I will tell you more today. But before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is one of my books. Honey as a medicine. Honey as a medicine. Healing power of honey. Solution to human problems. African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, African Power Part 3. You want to know the contents of each book? Search for my other videos. Don't rely on only one video. Search for my past videos. You will know the contents of each book. The content of each book. You have ulcer, stubborn ulcer, pelvic ulcer, stomach ulcer. The secret is here. You have total hatred in your body. People always hate you wherever you are. The secret is here to remove total hatred from your body. In this book, you have hypertension. Hypertension pààyàn. You have high blood pressure. The secret is here. Only as a medicine book. You have tuberculosis. Ikọ́ ọ̀fẹ́. Ikọ́ burúkú tó burú yẹn. Or you have asthma. Semi. The secret is only as a medicine book. Many other things are there. You want to remove hatred from your body. The secret is here. Blood always, you always complain of shortage of blood. The secret is here. How to use moringa and quails. The secret is here. In your family, they don't do good. Hardly can we see 3 or 4 people riding correct cars in your family. How to remove family causes, family bondage. The secret is here. In your family, Uncle, they always die young. The secret is here. To remove family causes and family bondage. Ìwọ tó gùn jẹ́ fún, when you collect spiritual products, don't work for you. The secret is here. Any spiritual product they give you will be working in your favor. African Power Part 2 is your book. We have other book. You have a son or daughter that is smoking. The secret is here. Ó gbàdúrà sínú omi ni. Àwọn èèyàn mi ṣègbè tó ní mo ní mọ̀. You pray and water you give that your boy girl to be drinking. he or she will not join bad gangs again. Before I go, I must thank those people that are giving money. But before then, don't forget what I started with. Rainwater. Rain is falling these days now. We are in rainy season time. If it never fall in your area, it will fall today or tomorrow in your area. How are you going to use rainwater? When you collect rainwater, always add cooking salt to it. Take your bath with it. With soap of your choice. Any soap of your choice. Take your bath with it. You can use it in the night. You can do it in the morning. When rain fall like this, it will wash away all the rubbish in the leaves, in the plants. So when human beings use it, it will do the same thing to wash away your spiritual problems. Add salt to rainwater. You know, if it is the rainwater, first rain of the water, first rainwater of the year, how to do that one? I put it in my books. Go and check that one. But you are always complaining. Rain is falling in your area. You don't get time for yourself. You don't get time for your children. You don't get time for your husband. Or you're a man. You don't get time for your wife. You don't get time for your children. You don't get time for yourself. Get rainwater. Add salt to it. Take your bath with it. Use any sponge you like. New sponge. With soap of your choice. If you don't use sponge, you don't use soap, it will work for you. Tell God. As God normally use rainwater to clean up the rubbish on the plants and leaves. God, remove bad things from my life. God will do as you say. Yes. I put it in my books. But I'm telling some books, I'm telling some people, they don't have money. But when they practice what I'm teaching, they normally call me and say, I'm practicing what you are teaching. I see better in my life. I am not teaching for teaching's sake. I am not teaching for you to be listening to other problems for me to solve. I am teaching you so that when you see the reaction, you will ask for my books. You will ask for my books. And all these books, we are not in Nigeria. We are in overseas country. Somebody can sell for you. Somebody can sell to you. Asake Ame is in America. Asake Ame, First Lady Botanical Stores, she can sell for you. Number 445, address in you. First Lady Botanical Stores, Asake Ame, Yame Kelly. Number 445, Jackson Avenue, Elizabeth, New Jersey, USA. Telephone number +1 86 22 70 6019. Call Asake Ame. It's a prophetess. She will help you. She will help you. Tell her your problems. Prophetess. Wòlíì Obi. And you need all these my books. Contact Asake Ame in USA. You need original need. Contact Asake Ame. You need forgiveness leaves. Contact Asake Ame. Yame Kelly. First Lady Botanical Stores. You need forgiveness leaves. Ìwé oríkì. Atari, alligator pepper. Owó ẹyọ. Cowries. Ìwé àánú. Mercy leaves. Contact Asake Ame. And before I go, I must thank those people that are helping my channel. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. Mo fẹ́ kó lọ akọ́ máa bọ̀ fẹ́. Mo kọ́ kọ́ lọ́mọ ẹ̀kọ́. Amen. Àjùmọ̀bí ọ̀kan tàánú. Ẹ̀yin ló máa ń ṣe ló ń ṣe lórí. Amen always contribute to my channel. Super thanks on YouTube. Amen. Àmín. When we say prayer, we say amen to end it. God has already answered your prayers. God has already answered. God has already said amen to your prayer. And will continue to bless you and enrich your purse. You will never lack good things of life as God defends. Many other people like that have a very good brother in USA. I won't mention your name. Many other sisters in USA, Auntie Donya, Auntie Funke, Auntie Funke doing. Thank you very much. I have a sister in Belgium. My only daughter in Belgium. God bless you. In Canada, I have Mr. Benga. In USA, Japan, Dublin, all over the world. And in Nigeria, Alaja Fatima is in Lagos Island, Lekki. God bless you all. You are the people that don't want this world to tire me. Because some people just list problems after watching my programs. After watching all my programs, instead of them to say, which book can I have? Which book can I buy to solve my spiritual problems? They will be listing problems for me to solve. Free of charge. Life is not like that. I'm using data. I'm using generator to fuel my light now. Yes. I use solar. Life is not like that. You pay for your services. Thank you very much. Don't forget, I'm saying Davis is not Baba original. I'm saying that Yesota, Baba original, Baba bus stop Yesota. I get branches in Lagos State. At Mushin, I get a branch there. At Barika, I get a branch there. At Egbe, I have a branch there. But you can't get my products there now. You can get my books and money at Egbe, at Mushin and Barika until May end. Until May end. But May ending you can get. Yes. And you return to old price. Don't forget I did Bonanza. I did Bonanza for 3 weeks when I was marking my 78th birthday. 78th birthday. Mo ṣàádọ́rin ọdún. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ gọ yọjú kẹ́ ẹ má bàa fún mi lówó ọjọ́ bí. Ọlọ́run mọ nọ́mbà yín o. Ọlọ́run mọ nọ́mbà yín. I called a lady last week. Your brother didn't call me when I was doing the ceremony of my daughter. She said, when I was marking my 70th birthday, your brother didn't call me. She said, yeah, I'm waiting for your brother to call me. Yes. Yes. Toru ìfẹ́. Yes. Yes. Tọ́jà lágbàjọ ni sì kúrú kẹrẹ mọ́. Yes. Òtítọ́ ni. Òtítọ́ ni. Yes. Òtítọ́ ni. Yes. Òtítọ́ ni. Ó ti yé yín o. Ó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ready to pay your services. Ready to pay for your services. Àmójú àwọn tó respond. Àmójú àwọn tó yọjú. Àmójú àwọn tó sàlọ́gbà pọ̀pọ̀ àfẹ́sí bàdì. Òtítọ́ ni. Yes. Òtítọ́ ni. If you like today's program, don't forget you can watch me on my other channel. Baba Oloyojina TV. Baba Oloyojina Television. On my same channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adeusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adeusi. Some people ask, are you on TikTok? I'm on TikTok. Ìgbà tó dé là ń lò. Àsìkò tó dé o. Search for my programs on TikTok. Baba Oloyojina TV, you see me there as well. Search for Kenny Show TV, you see me there as well. Till next time when you see me again, be blessed.